Welcome to our video session. Part 4, chapter number 12. Topic is last class we discuss about the words area of triangle and area of parallelograms. Last class we only derived the words area of a triangles and area of a parallelograms. Today we implement that formula. How can we find the area of a triangles? So today we find area of a triangles and area of a parallelograms. Today's topic is words area of triangle and area of a parallelogram. Okay. Now we find what's area of triangles and area of parallelograms. We know that what is the formula of the area of a triangle and area of a triangle. It was 1 by 2 into base into height. So we are taking an examples and find the area of a triangles. Now here we say find the area of each of the following. Area of each of the following. Okay, that means the area following triangles. Triangle is given. Okay, here then different type of triangles is given. Then how can we find the area of the triangles? Then see, here is the question. This one is A. Okay, here is the triangles. Then here measure is 3 cm and 4 cm. It is the height. Here is the breadth 3 cm, 4 cm. In B. Okay, another type of triangle. Here is the B. Then here is the measure. This side is base, which 5 cm, and height is 3.2 cm. This is the height. Third type. So you also find the first triangle, the right angle triangle. Here is the right angle. The height and here is the base H and B. Okay, then here the measure is towards 4 cm, 3 cm. Last class we derived the words formula of triangles, and these three type of triangles. Also we will take another type of triangles, that is the words obtuse right obtuse triangles. Here is the base. Outside is the height is given. Outside height is given. There is B equal to 3 cm and H equal to 2 cm. 2 cm given. Okay, then how can you find the area of all given triangles? Then we know that here then first the solution. Okay, here but B equal to 4 cm. H equal to 3 cm. Then we know that area of a triangle equal to what? We know let's show area of a triangle. Area of a triangle equal to what? 1 by 2 into base into height. Okay, 1 by 2 into base into height. Here base is what given 4 cm. Instead of it, then we write here 1 by 2 into base is what 4 cm, right here 4 cm, height is what 3 cm, right here 3 cm. Now 1 by 2 2 is 4 and 2 is cancel, then right here 2 and 2 cm into 3 cm equal to 2 3 is 6 cm square. That means the area of first triangle is what? 6 cm square. You always use 1 by 2 into base into base. If the base is given and height is given, then we can easily find the first area of the triangle. Now we find the area of the second one. Also we know here what is the whole. There is the base, here base. Inside the base, then here B equal to what? 5 cm. H equal to what? 2.2 cm. Now we know that area of a triangle. Area of a triangle equal to us 2.3 1 by 2 into b into h is there. Now 1 by 2 into 5 into 2.3 is there. Now here we reduce that first 2 to the 4 carry 1.25 the 2 to the 4 to 5 the 10. That means here 2.5 into 2.3. Now when you multiply 2.5 into 2.3, then what is the answer? You know that 45 3 is 75, 5 carry 7, 25 to the 50, 50 and 7, 57. That means here after C, how many numbers after decimals? In this one 1 numbers, and this 2.5 is 2 numbers. Then 2 decimals is there. Then we put the decimals after 2 numbers, 1 number, 2 number. And the answer is 5.75. And we got the answer equal to what? 5.75 is the answer of the verse. This okay. So how to multiply? Yes, 2 to the 4. Now carry ones to 5 to 2.5 and 2.3. When you multiply 25 is what? 75. 7 carry 25 to the 15 and 75. Then 5.75 square meter. Okay. Here you can see what right angle triangles, and we know that right angle triangles, area of right angle triangle equal to what? 1 by 2 into its base into height. That is the height, and here is the base. Then here what? B equal to 3 cm and h equal to what? 4 cm. Then area equal to what? Area equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. 1 by 2 into 3 into 4 equal to 2 to the 4, 2 to 3 the 6 centimeter square. Area is just here 5.75 centimeter square and 6 centimeter square. I hope all of you understood how can you find the area of a triangles using the formula that we derived in our last video session. Okay, now we find the area of a what? The last time is given. Also you try yourself. Then here also base into height. Then the area is what? 1 by 2 into 2 into cancels. Then area is 3 centimeter square. You also try yourself from your books and find the try to find the area of a triangles. Okay, now we will find the area of a parallelogram. How can we find the area of the parallelograms? Last class we derived area of a parallelogram is equal to what? Base into heights. That we implement that formula and find the area of a parallelogram. Okay. We know this first, the area of a parallelogram. See here, find the area of find the area of given parallelogram. Okay, that means parallelogram is given below, and how can we find the area of a parallelogram? Okay, then you know this what type of figure is known as parallelograms. Parallelogram is what? It opposite sides are equal and parallel, and its diagonals can be divided into two equal triangles. So here we for A, what is the parallelogram? Okay, we need construct the diagonal system. Here in how many triangles compares? Two triangles. Then here is the height and base. So here is the base. That means here is the 7 centimeter and here 7 centimeter in height is 4 centimeter. Height is given 4 centimeters and base is given first 7 centimeter in width. Here this time where is the equal to 8 centimeter and here height equal to 3 centimeter. Then height is given 3 centimeter, base is given 8 centimeter. Here is base, and here is also base, and here is the heights, and here also heights. Then we know that's what area of a parallelogram. That means base into heights. Then we can easily find the area of a parallelogram. Then in A, here what? Here B equal to what? 7 centimeter. Write here 7 centimeter. Now H equal to what? 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Then area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram equal to what? Base into height. That means base is what? 7 centimeter. Height is what? 6 centimeter. Sorry, 4 centimeter is there. 4 centimeter. Then 4 into 7 for the 28 centimeter square. Here what is how we find? Very easy. When we want to find the area of parallelograms, and we multiply their base and height. Okay. Now we will find the area of B. Then here B equal to what? 8 centimeter. H equal to what? H equal to 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter is there. Then area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram. We know that base into height, or base into height. Also write small letters. So base equal to what? 8 centimeter into height equal to 3 centimeter. 8 is 24 centimeter square. Here about it's just a first figure is given, and we can find the examples. If what problem is given, then how can we find the area of a triangles and area of a parallelogram? Let's see one examples for triangles and for the parallelogram. Okay, see the one. Triangle ABC is right angle triangle. And the question is given triangle ABC is right angle triangle. That means here one triangle is given, that is right angle triangle. At AD is, that means here at A. AD is heights. That means AD is perpendicular. Perpendicular means that is heights. Okay. AD is what? Perpendicular. Perpendicular is known as the heights. Perpendicular. AD is perpendicular to BC. To BC, and if AB equal to 5 centimeter, if AB equal to 5 centimeter. BC equal to 30 centimeter, BC equal to 30 centimeter, and AC equal to 12 centimeter, and AC equal to 12 centimeter. Find the area of a triangle. Find the area of a Find the area of a triangle. Here is the question. And how can we find the area of a triangle? First we draw a triangles according to the given measures. Okay. And when we construct a triangles, here A, B, C. Why ABC? Because C. Here A. Okay. Then AD. Then is the height. That means here is the D. Okay. Then AB. AB is measured how much? AD is the perpendicular. Perpendicular means what? It's from right angle. Right angle, that means 90 degree. So here from here the 90 degree is there. Okay. Now both sides 90 degree. One side 90 degree, then opposite side also is 90 degree. Because here the BC is perpendicular. Sorry, AD is perpendicular or BC, here is the what straight angle. Straight angle means what 180 degree. If 180 degree is divided into two parts, that is 90 degree plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. So if one side is 90 degree, obviously other side 90 degree. AB is given 5 centimeter. Now BC is given, then the BC 13 centimeter and AC is given 12 centimeter. According to questions measurements, we can construct triangles and write the measures of the according to their sides. Okay, now we solve it here first. Also find the length of AD. Here is the AD is not given. That means here also question is here triangle. Also find the length of AD. Okay, here AD is what perpendicular. AD is here not given. That means here we can find out the what AD. AD is a points or perpendicular. Then how can we find here triangle ABC is a what right angle triangles. And you can say this the solution here ABC is a right angle triangle. According to question, triangle is what ABC is what right angle triangles. So we know that area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC. We know that what is the formula of area of a triangles? That means half of side of continuous right angles. That means half of the words. That means 1/2 into AB into AC. That is the right side 1/2 into. Then is it a right angle triangles? Then we know that half into its two sides. That means AB into AC. Half into AB into first. Right angle triangle. That's what ABC. Then the here from 90 degree. That means ABC right angle triangle. That means multiply 1/2 into first AB into AC. Okay, AB into AC. Here the measure is given AB and AC. What is the AB and AC here? 1/2 into AB equal to what? 5 centimeter. Right 5 centimeter. AC equal to what? 12 centimeter. Then right here 12 centimeter. Okay. Then here we find out the words. 2 6 are 12. Then 30 centimeter square. Then area of right angle triangle equal to what? 30 centimeter square. Now also area of triangle ABC. We can find out what triangle of what area ABC is what we got the first find out the what area of triangle ABC. If triangle is right angle triangles. Okay. Now also we can find area of triangle ABC. If triangle is not a right angle triangle, then how can we find 1/2 into BC into AD? 1/2 into BC. That is another base into height. That's why BC into AD. We know that what area of a triangle equal to what 1/2 into base into height. Then here in a triangles what ABC, that is the base, and AD is the height. That's why we multiply 1/2 into BC into AD. Already we find out the area of a triangle equal to what? Area of triangle equal to 30. So we write here 30 centimeter square. Centimeter square equal to 1/2 into BC is given what? 12 or 30 centimeter. How much? According to measurements, it is given what? 30 centimeter. We write here 30 centimeter into AD. Because AD is not given C, then here the question is find out also AD. Then half we find C. See the above. If it is the side also, I do this. Here C. Then AD. Then 2 is to belong to this side. 13 into 2 as the divides. Then we should be dividing what 30 into 2 by 2. Then we can write it as AD equal to 13 into 2. 13 into 2 by 30. Okay, let's see. 2 is divided. That's why when we change the side, it should multiply. 13 is multiply. When you change the side, it should be divided. Clear about this? Now 13 to the 60, 61, 30. AD equal to 60 by 13. When we change it to words in a improper fractions, then 13 4s are 52, 13 4s are 52, then 8 by 13 centimeters. Okay, and what is the length of the AD? The length of the AD is what? 13 4 whole 8 by 13 centimeters. Clear about it? How can you find the area of a triangles? Also, how can you find the length, so the height of a triangles? Clear about it? I hope all have understood properly. Now we find the area of a what? Trapezium. Okay. Now we learn about the area of a circle. How can we find the area of a circle? Last class we told you about the circumference of a circle. Here we discuss about the words area of a circle by formula. Area of a circle. Area of the circles, that means first we know about the circles. I told you already about the circles. First I told you now. Where is the circle? This is known as the center point. You know it already. You know it. Is here from the center point to the circumference is radius. Okay. Now the belongs to the center point. इसका longest chord. Also it is known as diameter. Then how can you find the radius and diameters and the first area of a circle? So we know that's D. D equal to what? R into 2 or 2R. That means 2 times of a R. Why? Here is the half of the circle, center from the its, or here is the center what diameters. Also we can say that if diameter is given, we want to find the radius is given, we want to find the diameters, then multiply R into 2 or 2R. If diameter is given and we want to radius, then D by 2. First know the first how to find the radius and how to find the diameters. Okay, then now we find the words area. Which is the area? The boundary occupied space is called the area of a circle. Where is the circle? You know about the perimeter. That means that is the word circumference. So here you can find words area. Area equal to words pi r square or pi d. Then you can say this words the area of a circle. Area of a circle equal to pi r square or pi d. Okay, area of a circle equal to what? Sorry, area of a circle equal to pi r square. That means radius of is 2 times. Okay, therefore area of a circle is what? Radius equal is pi r square. If radius is given, then pi r square. Clear about it? Then now we'll take an examples, and also you can find the area of a circles in alternate methods. That is 2 pi r. That means into r equal to pi r square. Okay, so find the area of a circle of diameter 14. Then how do we find the area of a circle? So we know the area of a circle formula is always used, but pi r square is the area of a circle. Okay, circles. Now we are putting here. Find the area of circle whose diameter is 14 centimeter. Okay, diameter is given 14 centimeters. And how can we find the area of a circle? That we know that's first we have here solution. Okay, here D equal to what? 14 centimeter. Then what we need to find the circles? Then first we want to find the R. Then R equal to D1 to R is what? 14 plus 2 equal to 7 centimeters. We got the R. Now we know that what's area of a circle. So we can say this to area of circle. Area of circle equal to pi r square. We know that pi, the value of pi. Okay, pi r square. So we know that's here. Pi is what? 22.7 or 3.14 is the exact value of pi. Okay, that is the value of pi is 22/7 or 3.14 is the value of pi square. So here we use pi r square, that means first 22/7 into 7 into 7. R square means 2 times multiply. Now here we are working towards 7 cancel. 7 to the 14, 4. 7 to the 14, 154 centimeter square. And here we find the area of a circle equal to 154 centimeter square. If you want to find the area of the circles, then first we find out the radius, then find the area. If diameter is given, then we find the radius by using the formula d/2. Then use the area of circle equal to pi r square. And you know that the value of pi equal to 22/7 or 3.14 we can use. Both the value we can use in our words. Finding at the time of solution. Clear about it? Now I will take an examples how can you find the area of a circle. Okay. Here we take a question. The adjoining figures shows two circles with the same center. The radius of the larger circle is 10 cm and the radius of the smaller circle is 2 cm. First we want to do a circle into the blue circle. Here is the one circle. Here is the another circle. And the outside circle is larger circle and inside circle is quarters. The greater circle, then here is also shaded part. Going to shaded part is here now. It is the shaded part. It is the two circles. According to questions, first the radius of larger circle. Where is the radius of the larger circle? And here is the center point, same center point. Then the radius of the largest circle is what? Circle 10 centimeter. Then we write here 10 centimeter. And the radius of smaller circle, that means the smallest circle radius is what? Then the smallest circle. Then its radius is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeters. We draw the circles and also we can find out the centered parts. Then we know that here we know the how to find the area. Then if we take this one larger circle equal to R1, hence greater circle smaller circle equal to R2. That means radius 1 and radius 2 denoted the radius of the larger circle and smaller circle. Okay, so here find the area of the larger circle. Solution for 1. Solution for 1. What is the question? The area of a larger circle. You know that the area of circle equal to what? Area of circle equal to, you know that pi r square. Okay, pi r square. Then here we take the value of pi equal to what? 3.1. Then we take here pi equal to 3.14 or 22/7. We write here 2 into image. Then if we take here is the what's the radius? Pi r square. So if we take 22/7 and it's to change into decimals, then we take the value 3.14. Okay. Then 3.14 into 10 into 10. Here radius is what? Larger circle and area of circle. This circle, larger circle, so larger circle radius is what? 10 centimeter. So pi r square equal to 10 into 10 centimeter. So here we multiply 3.14 10 into 10 equal to 100 centimeters. Okay. So many decimal is there. We multiply after decimal. How many numbers is there? 2 numbers is there. In how many zeros is there? 2 zero is there. That means the should be converted to 2 decimals. 1 2 0 is first. Then 14 centimeter square. Then the area of larger circle is what? 314 centimeter square. Now we find the area of smaller circle. Okay. Then second question is what? Area of solution for 2 equal to area of circle. Here we are seeing a circle. So you know that what? Pi r square. Okay. Pi r square. And then the radius of smaller circle is what? 4 centimeter square. 4 centimeter square. So we take 3.14 into 4 into 4 is there. Now when you multiply the 3.14 into 16 centimeter. Okay. Then we solve this. Now what it was? 16 for the what? 64 and 16 1 what? So when you multiply for square equal to 50.22 equal to 50.24. So it will just go up. See, 60 over 64 carries 16 over 6 16 over 16 and 6 22 to carry to 16 3 is 48 and 2 50. After decimal number is there, therefore into 2 numbers after the decimal. Can we got the area of both circle? And what is the question? The third question. The area of the shaded region. Then how to find the area of the shaded region? Then we find the circle area of large circle and area of small circle. When we subtracted the area of large circle and area of small circle, then we can got the area of this shaded person. Area of this, how to find? So I will use the questions and solve the questions for the third. Okay. Here. Then area of shaded region. Number area of shaded part. Okay, area of shaded part equal to what? Area of dark circle minus area of large circle minus area of small circle. Okay, area of large circle minus area of small circle. Why area of large circle? Because when the whole area of the circle and when subtracted these areas, then the only left area is these areas. So what is the area of large circle is what? 350 centimeter square, and then 350 centimeter square minus 50.24 centimeter square. How can we find the most of the bracket? 350 no point is there, that means 0.00 and we are at 50.24. Okay, that is what when we go to 1 minus 1 equal to 4, so then we get 6. Now 9 minus equal to 7, then 3, then 11 minus 5 equal to 6, 263. What is the area of shaded part? Shaded part area equal to 263.73 centimeter square. What is the area of what? And the area of shaded part of the circle is 263 centimeter square. Area of this, how can we find the area of the circle? Okay, then I hope how can we find the area of the circle and the area of the shaded part. I hope all of you understood. You should practice your own and follow the books. Okay, if you doubts, then follow the books and try to do again and again. Then you can easily find the area of a circle, area of a trapezium, or area of a triangle. Okay, we will meet in our next video sessions. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.